Just wanted to give you guys an update on the front yard. Had a lot going on in the backyard. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. So what's new? Let me tell you, I had to move the begonias. Yep, that's right. Love them, they're great, don't get me wrong, but they had to go. Put them over here. Reason is, when they were in the mulch bed, the sun scorched them. It was bad. So now I have some red salvias. I put those in the place of where the begonias were. So everything's fine now. They're doing great over here. They get plenty of shade. They're really shade annuals. So when you get stuff like this, read the directions. It's in your best interest. Enough sun for them and water. They're doing great over here now. Oh yeah. Look at that fence. What about the pots? Big one, little one, a lot going on in there. Here, Vincas, Celosia, New Guinea in the middle. Vincas are my go-to annuals. The steps, concrete hasn't cured or bonded the way that I would like. Water's been getting on it and sitting on it. So that's what's been going on here. Next time I'll put plastic down when I put a layer of concrete down. Here, totally different. Doesn't get the same amount of water. Got the table from Aldi. Go to Aldi's and get some stuff, guys. The chair's been with us for a while. This concrete step hasn't bonded like I would like because there's paint under it. And that Sun Joe power washer did nothing for me. New mat right here. I like it. But next time around, I'll do it the right way. But we do remember how all this looked, right? Before I started working on it. Horrible. Very embarrassing. Now, I give it a C-, only because it doesn't have a second layer on it. Mulch bed. Lilacs are lilacing. Rose bushes. Purple salvias. Red ones. Really like the annuals. Marble chips. Love them. Grass. I'll figure this out. Let's not focus on this right now. Trust me. I'm determined to have the best lawn in the neighborhood. I will get there. It's gonna happen. Well, thanks for watching. Just a quick update. Why don't you guys subscribe for me? Really appreciate it. Got a lot of stuff to do. I'm gonna do it. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.